Hi there. A number of people have been asking me about how to record in Google Meet. Google has made that a feature that they are slowly rolling out to different organizations. It either has not been rolled out to CREC yet, or CREC has not authorized it for us to use. That's something they would have to turn on downtown. So at the moment, if you want to have a meeting in Google Meet and record it so that you and some of your staff can send greetings to students, you can't do it directly. But here's what you can do. You can go to Screencast-o-matic.com. That's the website that you see on my screen right now. And when you get there, you can scroll down. And if you are on your own computer at home, you can click Download Free Screen Recorder. And it will only take a moment. It's a very tiny application. If you are on a computer provided by River Street, you will need Jeff or I or Andrew to connect to your computer and try to facilitate that download for you. Once it downloads and you open it, what you will see is what you see in their photo here. You will see a black and white dotted line running around your screen with this one black panel that pops up in the lower left corner of your screen. The black dotted line, you can drag that around. That's letting you control how much of your screen is being recorded. And the black panel is your settings. In most cases, you would just want to pick screen so that it records your whole screen. And then you click the red record button at the bottom. While you're recording, that red record button will turn into a pause button so you can stop at any time. And then when that's done, you would be able to download your video to your computer. So you would get it up and running, just like I have it running now, and then you would flip over to your Google meeting. Hi there. And you could send greetings to students, you could read your story to students, you could do whatever you needed to do. Now, the recording software is recording my voice, but it's not going to record if you're talking to me. So to make this happen, you're going to have to make sure the volume on your computer is turned way up so that the microphone on your computer is going to hear when someone talks to you and record it again in a loop. It may sound a little echoey. There may be a little bit of static in there, but that's your best shot for recording a group meeting inside Google Meet at this point. I would still say the best way to do it is Zoom, because Zoom has built-in features just for that. But I know some of you are not comfortable with Zoom, and so this gives you a slight workaround to that system. So, using Screencast-ify to record Google Meets so that you can share that video with others.